How to fix no sound coming from Android. So first is to turn up the device volume. So you will see the volume buttons on either side of your device. So just click the upper one to increase the volume. So you could also try going to your settings application and then go to sounds and vibration, then select volume to manually increase the volume. So you can do this by using these sliders. Next is to check for in-app sound settings. So to do this, you can launch the Facebook or Instagram application and then find a video. So you will see a mini sound button in the lower right of the video. So tapping the button will either mute or unmute sounds for the video. Moving on is to check the Do Not Disturb settings. So you can try turning off the Do Not Disturb mode from the Quick Settings panel. Or you can also go to Settings, then go to Notifications, and you will see the Do Not Disturb option. So just turn off the toggle button beside Do Not Disturb. Next is to ensure that you are not connected to an external speaker or Bluetooth earbuds. Also ensure that your headphone jack is free. So you can do this by turning off Bluetooth or unplugging your headphones if you are using it. So if all of these methods did not resolve your issue, you can resort to this last method, which is to restart your phone. So those are the ways on how to fix no sound coming from Android. Thank you and have a great day.